Are you curious about the best 3D design software? Today, we'll dive into Cinema 4D and Blender to see how they stack up against each other. Both tools are popular in the world of 3D modeling and animation. They help artists create stunning visuals, but they have different strengths and features. Let's start with Cinema 4D. This software is known for its user friendly interface. It's great for motion graphics and has powerful tools for animation. Many professionals in the film and advertising industries use it. Its rendering options are also top notch, making it easy to create high quality images quickly. Now, let's talk about Blender. Blender is open source and completely free. It offers a wide range of features from modeling to sculpting and even video editing. Many users appreciate its strong community support. Plus, Blender is constantly updated with new tools and improvements. When it comes to key differences, Cinema 4D is often seen as more intuitive for beginners. Its layout is clean and the learning curve is gentle. On the other hand, Blender can be more complex but offers extensive customization. In terms of features, Cinema 4D excels in motion graphics and has excellent integration with Adobe products. Blender shines with its sculpting tools and comprehensive rendering options. Pricing is another factor. Cinema 4D requires a subscription which can add up over time. Blender, being free, is a fantastic option for those on a budget. So, which one should you choose? If you want a professional tool with a focus on motion graphics, go for Cinema 4D. But if you are looking for a versatile, free option with a strong community, Blender is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.